Hello, my friends. Welcome to Pinusuter Photography again. And thank you for viewing my channel. And as you know, perhaps that in this channel, I usually discuss about different gears, photography, videography, like that, and other things also, and also share different vlogs uh, about different travel uh, that I have done in the last few months or so, last few years. And this time, today, I will share with you my experience, that is the unboxing of a new camera. And this time, I am going to change my setup from full HD to 4K setup. So, first thing is the camera. So, I have upgraded my camera from Canon EOS M50 to Canon EOS R50. So, eventually, I have come to the Canon R mount because there were very few lenses in the M system, and Canon almost stopped producing newer lenses for the M mount. So that was not the future. So that is almost dead, I think. So I have to I have to change. I have to progress. So I decided to change to R mount this time, and today I am recording with that new camera, that is EOS R50. This is basically equivalent of the Canon EOS M50, the same sensor, same type of processor, and only the mount is different. So the lenses will be different, and I will discuss in detail in later videos. But today, just I will share with you the unboxing, and I was very much excited with the new camera. And though I miss sometimes the Canon EOS M50, that little camera that fitted in my hands very well, and then I have taken lots of pictures, thousands of pictures with that camera, and also videos. All the previous videos were shot in that camera only. The one thing was missing in that camera, the big thing, that was a 4K feature. All the 4K was there, but it was crippled by many reasons, many things, because there was a huge crop, first thing, and then there was no dual pixel autofocus in 4K video. So that was almost unusable. I thought I should change to R system because Canon has developed R system like anything, and newer lenses are coming up. There are also crop sensor bodies also available, like Canon R100, R50, R7, R10, and also the full sensor cameras. But I don't want full sensor bodies because they are expensive, and I don't need them. You know, perhaps that you should choose your camera according to your need. I also follow that principle. And you know that this time I choose that R50 camera because it's almost equivalent to M50, and it has a lot of features that I will discuss in details in later videos. And definitely that will be a boon for everyone who are beginners. This is a beginners level camera, I admit, but there is room for growing. And basically I will use this for video shooting of my studio shooting, and sometimes I will use for maybe blogging or photography. And last few months I was very busy with my professional work. I could not share the my travel videos also. I have traveled here and there, but I could not share because I had very limited time actually to process them. So this time, mm you will just see my unboxing video of the Canon EOS R50. Obviously I was very excited with my new camera. That will be visible in that video, and different features I will discuss in detail in a future video that will come very soon. So please subscribe my channel to watch those videos, and you can also go back to my older videos, and you can get a lot of information about birding, setup, DSLR setup, lenses, cameras, those things, and about the information about different places where you can go for wildlife. And I have plans to visit different sanctuaries, especially bird sanctuaries, so that I will definitely share in my channel, so that will come up very soon. So that's all for today. Now you just see the unboxing. Canon EOS R50, and this camera is R mount camera, and I have upgraded from my previous M mount camera to R camera for some obvious reasons that I will tell in a later video. And first, see the box, what is written outside. The box is nice to feel, but there is nothing free with the box, only free AC cable one, it is written here, but there is no SD card with the camera, which is given usually with a camera. And let's remind you that this is a beginners level camera, so maybe they have used cost cutting measure by removing the free bag and free SD card like that. So now let's open and let's see what is there inside the box. So this is the scissor. I'll cut open from here. So at last I was able to break the seal. Now let's see what is there inside. First, the Canon is mustard in packing, and first there is this, I think this is the user manual, and next this is the warranty card, which says awesome power of the Canon Digital Trinity. One I know that is the Digic Processor 10, and second is the new sensor. But what is the third thing? Maybe the Canon lenses. So next thing is that this is the Canon charger. This is a standard charger that comes with the Canon camera. Now this is the camera itself, I think. Oh yes, this is the camera. See, so I keep it aside. Now this is the Canon strap, and I think this is the cable, charging cable, that I can attach with the charger. This is the Canon battery. It's very thin, just like the Canon M50. I don't know yet the power of the camera battery, so I have to research a little, and later I'll give you all the specs of the camera so that you can know. Now another thing is there, I can see that it must be the lens, and yes, this is the Canon kit lens 18 to 45. So in the case of Canon M50, that was, sorry, the Canon US M50, that was 16 to 45. This time 18 to 45. I don't know why Canon did this, because if it would be 16, then it would be nice, it would be wider in views. Especially it would be very beneficial for the bloggers. I don't know why Canon would do this to a new camera. And 16mm is wider, and that would do uh, a good job for the bloggers, giving a wide angle view. So you can see starting from 18 and it's 45, and maximum aperture, uh, yeah, I can see here now it's clearly written here 4.5 to 6.3. That means maximum aperture available at the widest part is 4.5, and at the extreme zoom level is 6.3. So it's not a fast lens definitely, but I think that will be good for blogging. Now I have to charge the battery before I attach those things to the camera. So let's charge it. Now I just open the camera body. As you can see, the sensor and the mount is very big, and though this is a APS-C size camera, the sensor is small APS-C, but the mount is R mount, so you can attach all the R series lenses apart from the RF lenses. So this is the big advantage of this camera, and there are quite a few RF lenses. I'll tell you later in another video, and the RF lenses are still limited in number. So this is the thing that we have to keep in mind. So the main advantage is this big mount, so you can mount the R series lenses, and if you buy one adapter, EF to R adapter, then you can also attach all the older EFS and EF lenses. But the performance, I don't know whether it will perform um, as well as in a DSLR camera. I don't know. This is a mirrorless camera, so I'm a bit doubtful, but I'll check it later. So now I have to check the camera, I have to charge the battery, I have to attach the lens, and then I will come again, I'll return again.